beacons of hope.
Maayong buntag sa tanan!
Good morning!
Alam mo, Sir Imahen, ang ilang energy, we need to check their energy.
Yes.
Kasi mura gipang puyat pa ito mga students.
Okay,
Alright.
sa'yo pa sa buntag,
Lagi
dapat full energy sila.
Naka-breakfast sa batanan. So, good morning, everyone!
Hinay.
Inay gawon?
Na to.
Alright, again, good morning, HDC! Ayan!
Yan.
Nakakain naman pala.
Nakapalamahaw sila.
And welcome to our 5th day of our week-long fiesta celebration.
Yes. Kamusta ang fiesta ninyo?
Walay lechon daw. Matok na doon
Walay
ka
lechon?
Tama? Walang lechon. The fiesta would be complete without the lechon. But later, we just set aside the lechon. But first, sir, let's have a roll call. Tanawan na to who are the college or school na napaka-excited and full of energy this morning.
Yes.
Okay? So let's have an energy check for every schools and colleges. If we call your college or schools, make some noise and do some waves, okay? Para at least alam natin sino yung pinaka-active na college dire. I believe colleges and schools are very competitive.
Yes,
Alright?
kaway-kaway.
Alright, unahin natin ang nasaan ang College of Criminal Justice Education! Wow! Wow! Rinig ko yan, ha? Rinig ko yan.
How about the College of Engineering and Technology?
Grabe. Abot sa silingang eskwelahan ng
Yes.
Tingog.
Abot sa Ateneo?
Yeah, abot na abot sa Ateneo. Alright. How about, kani, iladog yun ni sila mga
Yes.
cheerleaders ni sila. Okay, how about from the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management Education?
You ain't one.
I told you.
Okay. Kaniway pabor-pabor. How about from the College of Humanities, Social Sciences, and Communication?
Uy!
Oh, may pabor-pabor to, ha?
Iba din sila, no?
Yes.
Ito. I think this is one of the loudest. How about from the College of Maritime Education? O, diba? Loudest.